Hello, everyone. This is Chris Strong over at Rapid Scan 3D. We've had a lot of questions in regards how to create or find volume of a part. So I have a small part here. This was done on the Artec Micro 3D scanner, pretty small part. I'm just going to show you a quick way to find volume calculations. So if we go into our measurement section, we actually have a few different options here to take measurements. I'm going to go into my cross section. I'm going to find the part that I'm going to take the measurements on, click next, and I'm just going to have it set to, let's go ahead and set it to this plane. As you'll see here, the part will become in red. This is the area that's going to start to calculate the volume calculation. So we're not calculating any of this area out here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to actually move this plane down. Sorry, wrong way. I'm going to move it back up this way. And what I want to do is basically cover the part in all red. I can just say, go down here and say create section. And once I do that, I'm able to see the part and my cubic and squared volume calculations, which are in millimeters. And from here, if I wanted to, I could say export, and I can send these into CSV files, XML files, or DXF files. If you have any questions about creating cross sections for volume calculations, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks a lot.